In this video, I'll show you how to add an animated arrow on top of your video in Premiere Pro. To get started, I've already placed a video of a bird into the timeline. Now let's bring in the animated arrow. Drag your arrow clip onto a track above your bird video. If you don't have one yet, you can find free animated arrows with green backgrounds on Pixabay.com. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Drag that effect onto your arrow clip. Look for Color Key and click the eyedropper tool next to Key Color. Use it to select the green background in your arrow clip. Now increase the color tolerance until the green disappears and you're left with just the arrow. If there's still a slight green edge, you can clean it up by adjusting the edge thin or edge feather settings. To position the arrow, double-click it in the preview window and move it where you want. You can resize it with the corner handles and rotate it by hovering near a corner until the rotate icon appears. Now the arrow sits perfectly on top of the bird footage, pointing exactly where I want. And that's how you key out a green screen arrow in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.